Xiaomi is moving closer to a more independent software stack with its upcoming HyperOS 4, as new reports suggest the company is gradually removing legacy MIUI era code and replacing parts of the system with its own architecture. According to a leak by well-known tipster Digital Chat Station, Xiaomi's next-generation system could replace parts of the underlying framework with a native, self-developed one. The company is also expected to integrate its own AI model at the system level. For now, though, native Android services are likely to remain in place to avoid app compatibility issues. The shift is not surprising. Xiaomi itself confirmed in January its aim to achieve grand convergence in 2026 with a self-developed chip, operating system, and large AI models on a single device. As you might know, Xiaomi's XRING01 chip, introduced in 2025, is the first step of this transition. Behind the scenes, Xiaomi is already preparing for that transition. Reports from Xiaomi claim that some system modules in HyperOS 3.1, including the weather and photo album apps, have begun removing MIUI era SDK components. HyperOS 4, expected to launch in August, could be the first version described as a zero-legacy release. Xiaomi is also experimenting with rewriting core system apps using Google's Flutter framework and the Rust programming language. The company could be moving toward a more modular system architecture, where components can be updated or replaced more easily. For now, HyperOS 3.1 is said to act as a transitional release. It introduces a native HyperOS SDK while still keeping the older MIUI SDK in place to maintain stability and compatibility.